Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, thank you for opening the video link in. First, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Anis Fadila and my partner Evi Setyaningsih. We are from Group 1. In this opportunity, I would like to present about theory business ethics. Okay, in the first slide, I will explain about the meaning business ethics. What is business ethics? Business is the battlefield or the fight on compete to make a profit, or the competition is symbol of greed. From an ethical point of view, profit is not a bad thing, but morally it is a good and acceptable thing. Morally, profit allows the company to survive in its business activities. Without making a profit, there are no capital owners who are willing to invest, increase economic growth, and support its employees toward the higher level. Understanding of the business, there are several opinions, namely, first, business ethics can be interpreted as a rule that is not binding because it is not a law. Second, business ethics can be limited for the business activities carried out. And the third, business ethics make a person can be understand how to be sweet, maintain good manner, dress well, and speak. All of that has a meaning. So, it can be concluded that business ethic in business can also be interpreted as allow knowledge of the norm in the managing business and morality that apply universally, economically, and socially. This is also used as the standard to guideline for all employees in the company to make it a guideline in their work. The next slide, ethical theory and business development. Ethical theory can be referred to as the rational description of the nature and basis of the correct action and decision, as well as the participle that determine the claim that this action and decision are morally ordered and prohibited. The search for the fully satisfactory ethical theory is a never-ending endeavor because there will never be an ethical theory that everyone can fully agree on. In this case, ethical theory was born from various schools of the ethical thoughts in order to examine the morality of the action and the development solidly. The search for the fully satisfactory ethical theory is an endeavor that will never be undertaken, because overly resolved ethical theory will never be accepted by everyone. Since the beginning of the development of the basic philosophy to basic approach to morality, moral ethics have emerged. One approach bases the argument on the ending. The approach called the teleological approach, where the most prominent is the version of the consensualism, which argument that never an action is right or wrong depend on the consequence and the cases. So the next slide will be read by Evi. Evi, time is yours.
Okay, the next slide about various theories of business ethics. First, deontological theory or ethic of obligation. Deontological theory assesses action as good or bad based on rules, procedure, or obligation. Second, teleological theory. Teleological ethic assesses action as good or bad based on the purpose or consequence of the action. Third, theory of human rights ethics. An action or deed is considered good if it is in accordance with human rights. The example is factory workers who have the right to get their monthly salary after they carry out their obligation to take care of work in the factory. And the second example is I am a student living in Indonesia. My obligation as an Indonesian citizen is to study, and my right as an Indonesian citizen is to get proper protection and security. And four, virtue theory. In virtue theory, the concept of satisfaction becomes dominant to be discussed because everyone feels that they must be prioritized in meeting their desired needs. 5. Relative theory. In this theory, it states that ethics is relative because basically under normal conditions, a person's behavior can to be willing to behave well. Okay, the conclusion from this presentation is ethics as a scientific discipline relates to a critical study of custom, value and norms and human behavior that is considered good or bad. In ethics, there are still many theories that explain an action, nature, or object of the same behavior from a different point of view or perspective. And this is the end from our presentation. Thanks for your